YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And today, we're going over part 2, being at Stahls. Let's hop into this. Hey yo, let's talk about some more transfers. So I'm gonna actually press 2 for this video. And hey y'all, hit my affiliate links down below if you would like to get any of the transfers or any of the lovely heat presses that they have to offer, as they are the Cadillac presses of the industry. So the first transfer that we're gonna press up is the elastic prints. Now, if you watched the video or if you haven't seen it, I got one out coming soon over the Goof Proof, which is amazing quality. I suggest going to pick you up some of those transfers today. They stop the mistakes so you don't make them. So for the elastic prints, the time and temp is a little bit different. You set your temperature to 290 degrees. It presses for 15 seconds, and it's at a medium to firm pressure. So let's get that set up. So on our Stahls Hotronics press, we're actually gonna adjust the temperature. We're gonna hit this middle button, the mode button, and we're gonna drop it down to 290 degrees Fahrenheit. And for our seconds, we're going to knock them up to 15. And we'll set and let it do its thing real quick. Moving on up. In my Martin Lawrence voice. Hey yo, this is pretty slick. I've never been to a studio before to record any of my videos, so I'm taking full advantage. Seeing how they set up some of their props, some of the things that they have for display, some of the behind the scenes footage, y'all. So here's a great gang up sheet idea, which found it at Stahls. They actually have the elastic print to the left, and then to the right, they actually have the sizes of the different shirts you can put it on. So you can just go ahead and, maybe get your gang sheet like this, couple transfers, also with your sizes on the side. What a productive way to think of this. So we have our elastic printed lined up. And I use my fingers and all of the above. Make sure I'm 3 down, which is a large shirt, so that's not a bad position for it. My pressure is at a medium to firm. It hasn't quite got down to 290, but it's on its way down. And these machines are built sturdy, solid. I love how it has the stand that goes with it. Need a couple of these in the stores. Hey, yo, Stahls. Your boy needs a couple of these machines. Josh Ellsworth. It's an honor, man, to be here. Wish I was standing right next to you. I watch a lot of your videos on Stahls TV. Hey, yo, guys, if you haven't, go to Stahls TV. Like, comment, subscribe, get involved. Get some of the knowledge that Josh is providing for. So once again, we're getting ready to press that plastic elastic prints. Lord, I be butchering words. I'm butchering. Elastic prints. We're gonna press it at 290 degrees for 15 seconds at medium firm pressure. Ooh. Okay, look at that. Wow. Yo, I am really feeling these clean carrier sheets. Look at that. I'm gonna recycle it, take it down to the recycle department. Be like, hey, y'all, print it up again. Let's check the feel of that out. Wow. Talk about a premium quality. Now, a lot of times with the shine ones, to get that matte finish, you just simply press again and it takes some of the shine away, but I like the shine. So a real quick tip, I should say, is they have the sizes on the side of the carrier sheet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rip the tag out and I'm actually gonna install one of the sizes inside of the shirt. So several ways that you can put in a neck tag. I'm getting ready to show one using the heat press, but you can ultimately use their hat press to install these neck labels, which is a must-have. And this takes you from regular t-shirt to customized brand t-shirt. See where I'm going with it? Simply remove the tag, like so. And you want to make sure that there's a pressing pillow up underneath there to knock that off. So it'll be centered. Simply put it there. We're just going to position for positioning's sake. Right there, and we're going to close it. Let it do its thing. It's got a nice little kick on it. There you go. Neck tag right in there. Another transfer that we're going to sample today is the Ultra Color Soft. And it's the exact same temp as the last one, 290 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to press for anywhere between 12 to 15 seconds at a medium to firm pressure, or 6 to 8, depending on what your machine reads out. Let's hop into it. So once you got everything positioned, you're just going to go ahead and press. And notice that there's no carrier sheet on the top of the platen. There's nothing in between the actual carrier and the heated platen, and that the pressure is really at a medium to firm. It's making for a flawless victory. However they would say that in Mortal Kombat. It's working out to the best of its capabilities. Just follow directions, that's all you gotta do. So the last transfer that we are actually doing is a cold peel. So we're gonna let it cool off. And while it's doing that, I might as well shout out some of the squad constituents. Yo, Ashley Crocker. She's inspirational. I love the talents that she brings to the group, the positivity, and also she's invited me to a few. I believe Stan Jackson, the cartoonist, was one. Awesome content. Hey, Ashley Crocker, we appreciate you being a part of the squad. Shalina Gray, we love the contributions that you actually brought to the squad, and some of the questions that you asked, like trying to figure out the puff, getting the audience to engage. We appreciate you on so many levels. Thanks for being a constituent of the squad. Sean Gabriel. What's up, Sean? He does have a secondary page. It's for the kids. It's a nonprofit organization that they're running down south. So if you get the chance, please go to For the Kids and like the page. Also, they're looking for donations, as they are helping the children in the southern region of the United States. But shouts out to you once again, Sean Gabriel. You've been lacing us with the t-shirts of the day and some of the dope designs that you always do. We greatly appreciate you, and you're definitely a part of the squad. So we let the design cool for a little bit, and it is ultra soft. And yo, look at that. Flawless victory. Once again, another clean carrier sheet. I'm telling you, Stahls is working with that magic. You guys better head on over there. Ooh, I got almost a different feel to it. Hey yo, if you like this video and would like to get your hands on some of the prints or some of the transfers, please hit those affiliate links down below. This was soft by Ultra Soft. The one that I used prior to was an elastic print, and the one in the other video was goof proof. All three transfers, hands down, exceptionally one of the best out there on the product. But if, hold on, did I mention the squad, the original squad? Oh my gosh, yo! Seek from 12 Gone Apparel. You dig? And all things Stahls. Yo, I'm slipping on my pen here. Maybe I'm just too excited to be here. But until the next one, I'm out.